Welcome to our chemistry online class. Good morning, students. Now we are going to discuss about physical properties of carboxylic acids. Physical properties of carboxylic acid. Here, the aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 9 carbon atoms or aliphatic carboxylic acid up to 9 carbon atoms are colorless liquids with pungent smell. Let us take from formic acid, acetic acid, like that up to carbon number 9 containing carbon atoms are colorless liquids with pungent odor. The higher members are odorless. Wax-like solid. The higher members of carboxylic acids are odorless, wax-like solids. Then second point is carboxylic acids have higher boiling point. Carboxylic acids having higher boiling point than aldehydes, ketones, even alcohols of same molecular mass. This is due to more association of carboxylic acid molecule through intermolecular hydrogen bonding. When same molecular mass containing aldehydes and ketones, even alcohol, on comparing carboxylic acids are having higher boiling point due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. See here, this is the structure of carboxylic acids. Here R, C, double bond O, OH, R, C, double bond O, OH. Here in between we are having 2 COOH group. In between 2 COOH group we are having one type of bond, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. There it is one kind of attractive force between two carboxylic acid. The bond between hydrogen and more electronegative oxygen. This bond makes carboxylic acid having higher boiling point than aldehydes, ketones, and even alcohols. Next, the lower aliphatic carboxylic acids up to 4 carbons are miscible with water. Let us take formic acid, acetic acid, propionic acid, butyric acids are miscible with water due to the presence of hydrogen bonds with water. Up to 4 carbon atom, the carboxylic acids are miscible with water due to the formation of hydrogen bonds with water. The higher carboxylic acids are insoluble in water. Due to the increase in the hydrophobic interaction of hydrocarbon part. Hydrophobic means water hating interaction of hydrocarbon part. The simplest aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, is insoluble in water. The simplest aromatic carboxylic acid, benzoic acid, is insoluble in water. Next, vinegar. Vinegar is 6 to 8%. Vinegar is 6 to 8% of solution of acidic acid in water. What is vinegar? Vinegar is 6 to 8 percentage of 6 to 8 percentage of 6 to 8% solution of acidic acid in water. Pure acidic acid is called glacial acidic acid. Pure acidic acid. What is glacial acidic acid? Pure acidic acid is called glacial acidic acid because it forms ice-like crystals. It forms ice-like crystals when cooled. Next, when aqueous solution of acidic acid is cooled, the aqueous solution of acidic acid is cooled at 289.5 Kelvin. The acidic acid solidified and it forms ice-like crystal. The aqueous solution of acidic acid is cooled at 289.5 Kelvin. The acidic acid solidified and it forms ice-like crystal. Where as water remains in liquid state. The water remains in liquid state and removed by filtration. This process is repeated. To obtain the glacial acidic acid. The reactions of carboxylic acids can be classified as follows. First one is reactions involving cleavage of OH bond. Cleavage means breaking of bond between oxygen and hydrogen. This is one type of reaction. The second one is the reaction involving the cleavage of COH bond. The third one is the reaction involving COOH bond. Reactions involving COOH group. Then fourth one is substitution reactions involving hydrocarbon part.